The Supreme Court hearing oral arguments by telephone beginning today due to coronavirus. The public can listen in for the first time ever. Joining us right now is Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, great to see you. This sounds interesting.
Well, it's fascinating for those of us that watch the Supreme Court because we can monitor the oral argument in real time without having to go to Washington, D.C. to observe it. This is really radical for the court, Maria, because the give and take, not only between lawyer and justice, but between the justices themselves, simply won't be there. So the way the court is setting it up is they will speak in order of seniority. They can't jump in spontaneously in order to respond to something that a lawyer says or a colleague on the bench says, as would be the case if they were in their courtroom. So the first person to speak will be the Chief Justice, then Justice Thomas. Justice Thomas has only spoken once in 25 years on the bench, so he's probably not going to say anything. Then it'll go to Justice Ginsburg, all the way down to the most junior justice, who's Justice Kavanaugh. The question is, will this change jurisprudence? Will this change the way the court views oral argument? Will it change the law? Or is this just a temporary, in my view, commendable stopgap in this age of coronavirus?
I want to ask you, I want to switch gears and ask you about Congress demanding that Jeff Bezos testify, Judge. The House Judiciary Committee wants to question the Amazon CEO about, quote, criminally false statements the company is suspected of making to Congress about its business practices as part of the panel's antitrust investigation. Judge, Bezos has yet to make a congressional appearance. Does he have to show up now?
Well, it's very interesting. I mean, he is not the human being who is alleged to have made false statements. It is that person that Congress should call. This goes to the information that Amazon uses when it charges advertising rates and what it may do to squeeze out some small competitors. Remember, its suppliers are also its competitors. I don't know if Jeff Bezos is going to show, but somebody's going to show.
All right. Judge Napolitano, thank you.